Hello everyone, welcome back to Medicopedia. This is part second of our top 50 anatomy question series for the double APC CPC exam. If you have not watched part 1 yet, be sure to check the link in the description box before continue this video. In this video, we will practice 25 more important anatomy questions which are repeated in CPC examination. After each question, you will get 5 seconds to think before I reveal the correct answer. So let's begin with question number 26. Question number 26. Patient with which of the following disease are treated with injection of vitamin B12? Option: Bell's palsy, Crohn's disease, and C and D. Then right option is D. Question number 27. Fertilization of an ovum by a spermatozoa occurs in which of the following structure? Cervix, fallopian tube, ovary, and uterus. Right answer is B, fallopian tube. Question number 28. Which of the following are mucus producing gland located on each side of vaginal opening? Adrenal, barytholins, bulbourethral, corpus luteum. Right option is B, Bartholin's. Question number 29. Male hormones are produced by which of the following? Gland penis, prepuce, prostate, and testis. Right answer is D. Question number 30. What is the name of the condition where the body has a abnormal increased fat? Anorexia, bulimia, obesity, and cachexia. Right answer is D. Question number 31. What is anosmia? Loss of vision, loss of taste, loss of hearing, and loss of smell. Right option is D, loss of smell. Question number 32. What is the medical term for a stroke? Cerebrovascular accident, TIA, myocardial infarction, pulmonary embolism. Right option is CVA, cerebrovascular accident. Question number 33. What is pathology? Option: the study of human brain, the study of bones, the study of blood, the study of disease. Option number D. Question number 34. What is osteogenic? Option: originating in the muscles, bone spore, originating in the bone, fracture of bone. Right option is C, originating in the bone. Question number 35. What is dysphagia? Option: swelling of the vocal cord, difficulty swallowing, difficulty in breathing, impaired speech. Right option is B, difficulty swallowing. Question number 36. What is laryngitis? Option: swelling of the vocal cord, difficulty swallowing, difficulty in breathing, impaired speech. Right option is A, swelling of the vocal cord. Question number 37. What is dyspnea? Option: swelling of the vocal cord, difficulty in swallowing and breathing, impaired speech. Right option is C, difficulty in breathing. Question number 38. What is paraparesis? Option: partial paralysis of the lower extremities, paralysis of the lower extremities, paralysis of one side of the body, weakness of one side of the body. Right option is partial paralysis of the lower extremities. Question number 39. What does hemorrhage mean? Vomiting blood due to stomach ulcer, the loss of blood from the damaged blood vessel, blood in stool and blood in urine. Right option is B, the loss of blood from damaged blood vessels. Question number 40. What is hematuria? Option: vomiting blood due to stomach ulcer, the loss of blood from damaged blood vessel, blood in stool, blood in urine. Blood in urine is the correct answer. Question number 41. What is the medical term for the surgical procedure to create an opening in the trachea? Tracheostomy, tracheotomy, laryngotomy, bronchoscopy. Correct answer is A, tracheostomy. Question number 42. What is the name of the condition characterized by the presence of persistent cough and mucus production? Option: pneumonia, asthma, emphysema, bronchitis. Correct answer is D, bronchitis. Question number 43. Which of the following substances is found in the greater quantity in exhaled air? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen and oxygen. The correct answer is C, nitrogen. Question number 44. At which of the following location does bole enter the digestive tract? Option: gastroesophageal sphincter, B. duodenum, C. ileocecum, D. jejunum. Correct answer is B, duodenum. Question number 45. The thoracic cage is a structure unit important for which of the following function? Alimentation, menstruation, mentation, respiration. Right answer is D, respiration. Question number 46. In men, which of the following structure is located at the neck of the bladder and surrounded to the urethra? Epididymis, prostate, scrotum and seminal vesicle. Right answer is D, seminal vesicles. Question number 47. A patient sustained severe blunt trauma to the left upper abdomen and required surgery. Which of the following organ is most likely to be involved? Appendix, gallbladder, pancreas or spleen? Right answer is D, spleen. Question number 48. Which of the following terms describe the motion of bending the forearm toward the body? Option: abduction, eversion, flexion, pronation. Right answer is flexion. Question number 49. If the foot abducted, it is moved in which of the direction? Inward, outward, upward, downward. Right answer is B, outward. The last question of this series is question number 50. Respiratory disease that cause overexpansion and destruction of the alveoli is known as emphysema, respiratory distress syndrome, pneumoconiasis, cystic fibrosis. The right option is A, emphysema. Congratulations, you have completed all 50 important anatomy questions in this series, which are repeated. I hope this question help you improve your anatomy knowledge for the AAPC CPC exam and medical coding interview. If you found this series helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Medicopedia. For more CPC exam practice question and medical coding tutorial, comment me. Thank you for watching and all the best for your CPC exam. See you in the next video.